You've seen them on the road, but have you ever seen how they're born? This isn't just a car factory. It's a fully automated robotic fortress. Inside the Tesla Gigafactory, heavy machinery moves with the precision of a watch, turning raw metal into the most advanced electric vehicle on the planet. Today, we're peeling back the layers of the world's most efficient production line. If you want to see the future of manufacturing, you are in the right place. This is Forge Vista. Let's head inside. So, how exactly does Tesla turn raw metal into such high-performance machines? It starts here. Welcome to the beating heart of the Tesla Gigafactory. This facility isn't just a building. It's a fully automated robotic fortress that stretches as far as the eye can see. Everything you see, the hum of the machines, the laser-guided pathways, and the coordinated movement of these robotic arms is driven by a central AI. It's an environment that feels like you've stepped straight into a science fiction movie set. But this isn't fiction. This is the reality of modern manufacturing, where efficiency is taken to the absolute extreme. Let's head deeper into the production floor to see how the skeleton of these electric vehicles is actually built. It all starts in the press shop. Gigantic multi-ton stamping machines exerting extreme pressure transform cold, raw steel sheets into the structural skeleton of the vehicle. It's a rhythmic, heavy-duty dance that happens in mere seconds. Notice the absolute silence of the human workers. Everything here is computer optimized for maximum efficiency. These massive body panels move along an overhead conveyor system so seamless, it feels like the car parts are floating through the air. Precision is the only language spoken here, and every single millimeter counts. If one piece is off by a hair, the structural integrity is compromised. This is where strength is born, and the foundation of every Tesla is laid with cold, hard, unyielding steel, shaped by the most powerful industrial presses. Now, we enter the most intense part of the production floor, the Welding Fortress. Here, hundreds of robots work in perfect, terrifyingly beautiful sync. They don't get tired, they don't take breaks, and they certainly don't make mistakes. These robotic arms are programmed for millimeter-perfect accuracy, stitching the chassis together with lightning-fast electric sparks. It's high-tech, it's industrial, and it's arguably the most mesmerizing part of the entire Gigafactory experience. You are looking at hundreds of millions of dollars worth of technology, all working together to build a vehicle that is safer than anything else on the road. The heat, the light, and the speed are absolutely insane, creating an environment that feels like a relentless machine that never stops working. After the steel skeleton is ready, it moves into the painting chamber. But this isn't a basic spray paint job. Tesla uses a multi-layered robotic coating process that ensures a flawless aerodynamic finish. The car bodies are submerged into massive chemical baths for rust protection, and then they emerge into a completely sterile, air-controlled environment where high-tech sensors ensure every single inch of the paint is perfect. Perfection isn't just a goal here, it is a fundamental requirement. From the primer to the clear coat, the entire cycle is managed by an AI that monitors temperature, humidity, and paint thickness in real time. This is why a Tesla looks like it's made of glass, reflecting the factory lights with a mirror-like finish that is completely unmatched in the industry. The true heart of any Tesla isn't an engine, it's the high-density battery pack. We move into the integration zone, where the battery, the most expensive and advanced part of the vehicle, is lowered into the chassis. This is where automation meets true intelligence. The drivetrains are synchronized with the central software, ensuring that the moment the car rolls off the line, the entire system is alive and ready. Every circuit, every sensor, and every bolt is tracked by a central AI system that logs its performance. If any component shows even a fraction of an anomaly, the line stops automatically. It's a level of control that humans just cannot provide, and it ensures that every single vehicle that leaves the factory performs exactly as the engineers intended. The final stage is the moment of truth. Every single car undergoes a rigorous quality check. Advanced lasers and high-resolution cameras scan the body for even the most microscopic imperfections that a human eye would never notice. If the car passes the robot audit, it finally rolls out of the factory into the sunlight. From raw, jagged metal to the most efficient machine on Earth, this is the reality of modern industrial engineering. It is beautiful, calculated, and awe-inspiring. If you love this deep dive into the Tesla Gigafactory, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Forge Vista. We are just getting started on this journey into the future of manufacturing. What factory should we visit next? Let me know in the comments below.